Hey Caleb, this is Steve Dahl over here at Jackie Cooper Infinity. I'm giving you a tour of this black 2019 QX80. Kind of coming in and out of the shade, but I'm leaving the vehicle. You kind of see the sparkles in the black paint job. It is a very nice looking SUV. Give you a shot into the back. Of course, it's got the power lift gate. "12-volt charger, power recline, 60/40 split. Comes with all the mats, power return. Give you a quick view into the second row. Back seats, of course, it's got this cavernous center console that is just awesome for storage. Theater. Then, of course, dual climate control, or tri-zone climate control. So you've got your own climate control in the back. You got your USB, your headphone volumes, and then even the power or the heated seats in the back. Moving on up to the front, you got your power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, power folding, seat memory locations, safety features, heated steering wheel, power lift gate. Tachometer, speedometer. You'll see the safety controls controlled by the steering wheel switch, Bluetooth, radio, cruise control, intelligent cruise control, navigation, radio, climate, radio controls down to your climate controls down below as well. Heated and cooled front seats, USB, 12-volt, even power return. So if I click this, that rear seat's going to come automatically flip up for you. And of course, it's got the sunroof, moonroof. 4-wheel drive. Hope this helps give you a better picture of it. Let me know if there's anything in particular that you want to see that I haven't shown you. Trying to give you a good overall view of everything. I'm going to close the vent. That might help on the steering wheel. My telephone number here is 918-806-8233. That's 918-806-8233. Giving you one last view all the way back and around. Thanks a lot. Look forward to hearing from you.